everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month I'm using these succulent plain sticker sheets and the matching printable that I designed for my August bullet journal setup. I used the graphics watercolor succulent clip art from Decorative from the artist 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗦. I really like her watercolor succulent illustrations, so I used them to design this journal kit. This month I will also use this productivity stencil and sticker set for dotted journals. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's fun to try something new. I bought these from Amazon. I really like this stencil set because it has a lot of different layouts and designs. There are 22 stencil sheets and 10 sticker sheets in this set, including future logs, monthly calendar, weeklies, and also lots of other stencils and functional stickers. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm only designing 2 pages for this video. It's very easy to do with the stencils I bought. The left page is the to-do page. I'm using my main colors for this month, blue and yellow, to draw the title space and the lines for my list. On the right side, I'm making a page for goals, ideas, and notes. What's a tool that you use all the time to make your bullet journal spreads? Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It really encourages me when I see that my content is helping others with their own art journeys. I really enjoy making these videos. I'm using tumble brush pens to draw lines with different thicknesses to make the page look more fun and lively. I'm adding some stickers from my violet succulent sticker sheet to the pages. Then drawing some more details with the colors. I'm sticking the header titles from my planner sticker sheet onto the spread. Then drawing some drop shadows for the headers. That's it for these 2 pages. Don't forget to check out these watercolor succulent printable and the matching sticker sheets. New arrivals are 25% off in my shop for planning and the journal printable and the sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using these designs. Don't forget to come back next week to watch my next video on my August weekly spread setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!